Look at that beautiful carrot juice. So this does come with a few different pieces. This is going to be your motor. Assembly is very, very simple. You just go ahead and put your drain piece on. Here's your blade. And as you can see, you've got these arrows that align, and you want to align it here. Just connect it here. And then I'll go ahead and put my topper on. You just lock it in. Super simple. That's how you know that it's nice and secure through here. Juice reservoir here with your measurements on the side. I really, really love this picture because it's got this piece here, which what it's gonna do, and you'll see in just a second, most of that little piece in there is actually gonna catch most of your foam to kind of help sift out the foam out of the drink. Stick it right there so the juice flows in it. Basically just like helps push down your fruit into the juicer. This is the scrub brush for the blade, and I'm telling you, I have had multiple juicers. This is like number 5. And this brush by far is the best. It really gets that blade clean. It does have like a little flat scraper end also, but I absolutely love this brush. Your low and then your high. We're gonna go ahead and do this first batch on low, so you just toggle up. All right, in this next run, we're gonna go ahead and do it on the high. Look at that beautiful carrot juice. I really enjoy like the size of the pulp. So for certain things like carrots, or apples, I will save to make like carrot cake muffins or apple muffins. I really do like the size that it comes out. It's a very fine shred. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Breville juicer.